My name is Nick Winter. My experience prior to this class was I was doing site preservations. After extractions only, I placed just one implant, and that was about a few months ago. I knew it would be, we would get a pretty good experience, but it was go, go, go from the very start. The amount of implants that I placed so far has been 18, but I still have the afternoon to go, so I think I got maybe 4 to 5 more maybe on my schedule. Topic that resonated with me was just mostly how to talk to your patients about implants and just how to just bring it up and just the benefits, the pros and cons of them. From what I've learned at this course, I definitely feel a lot more comfortable placing implants in my practice, especially immediates. Feel much more comfortable doing that. The atmosphere at the Institute is great. Anytime you needed any help, you had an instructor right there, almost one-on-one with the instructor. But they make you, not just let you, but they make you do it. Even if something's off, they'll have you fix it, which is a great learning experience. I would recommend this course to anybody who's looking into placing implants, just because of the amount of not just experience, but the knowledge on when and where and what to look for when placing implants.